In this video, I'm going to share with you one simple life-changing habit that could help you sleep better, reduce fatigue, anxiety, depression, and even help you lose the extra weight that... Hi everyone, welcome back to Dawn for Life. So the one life-changing habit that could change your health is none other than having lunch as your biggest meal and having a light dinner. Don't take my word for it. In a study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, they divided 80 overweight women into two groups. The first group ate 50% of their daily calories during lunch, and the second group ate 50% of their daily calories during dinner. And after 12 weeks, they saw a significant improvement in weight loss and also insulin resistance level. The first group who ate a bigger lunch lost 12.5 pounds, and the second group lost only 9.5 pounds. So let's dive into the Ayurveda reasons on how this works. First, our digestive fire, which is our Agni, the fire element in our body, is the strongest at noon. And also noon is where the sun shines the brightest, and that is the Pitta time of the day, which is also the fire element. We want all fires to align to optimize our digestion. Ayurveda really emphasizes on a well-working Agni, because when digestion is strong, we will digest things and it will turn into energy for our body. But when digestion is weak, Agni is weak, the fire is not there, then we will tend to build up toxins which weigh us down physically, mentally, and emotionally. And second, when you have a big lunch, it helps you sleep better, because if you do not have enough for lunch, you will go home probably starving, and you will have a big dinner, and a big dinner weighs you down, makes you feel sluggish, creates burp ups, heartburn, and indigestion. And going to bed with a heavy stomach reduces your quality of sleep, because instead of resting, your body has to digest extra load of food that is stuck there. And third, it becomes a domino effect. When you have a big meal at lunch and a light dinner, you'll wake up feeling lighter, fresher, and full of energy, instead of feeling sluggish and heavy from the excess undigested food in the body. And finally, having a big lunch snowballs to us avoiding collection of toxins in the body. In Ayurveda, it's called ama, a sticky substance that's toxic. And ama is the cause of all kinds of sickness, diseases, and problems. So that is what we want to avoid. Imagine your digestive system, your Agni, like a fire on a stove, and you have a pot, that's your stomach. So if you put food inside on a big fire, it will cook faster. But if you could continuously put food in there before the old food gets cooked down, over time your pot would overflow, and the food that is not digested will over time rot, and it will accumulate as you put more and more food inside. So that's one effortless life-changing habit that could really change your health. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. There was once a saying eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a beggar. So I'd love to know how it is in your home, whether you eat the biggest breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Thanks for watching Dawn for Life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!